Are you inundated with yarn, project remnants, discount bin bargains, the gifted, the thrifted, and a stash of other odds and ends of unknown origins? This series aims to bust that stash with quick, simple tutorials that use only small amounts of yarn. Welcome to the Scrap Stash. Hello everyone, and welcome to Skein Spider. I hope you're all doing well, staying safe and healthy. Today we're going to be making this little koala bag buddy, so grab your hooks and let's get started. To make this pattern, you're going to need a 3mm hook, scissors, stitch markers, a needle, pins, stuffing, a wire pet brush, a ruler or tape measure, a key ring or a keychain, as well as 8-ply yarn in grey, black, white and pink. We're going to begin by making the head, so in your grey yarn put 6 single crochet into a magic circle. Round 2 is 6 increases to bring you up to 12 stitches. Round 3 is 3 single crochet, 3 increases repeated twice to give you 18 stitches. Round 4 is 1 single crochet, 1 increase, and then a repeat of 2 single crochet, 1 increase done 5 times, finish with 1 single crochet. Round 5 is 3 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 6 times. Round 6 is 2 single crochet, 1 increase, and then a repeat of 4 single crochet, 1 increase done 5 times, finish with 2 single crochet. Round 7 through to 13 are just 36 single crochet. Round 14 is 5 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 6 times. Round 15 is 3 single crochet, 1 increase, and then 6 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 5 times, finish with 3 single crochet. Round 16 is 7 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 6 times. Round 17 is 54 single crochet. Round 18 is 7 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 6 times. Round 19 is 3 single crochet, 1 decrease, and then 6 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 5 times, finish with 3 single crochet. Round 20 is 5 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 6 times. Round 21 is 2 single crochet, 1 decrease, and then 4 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 5 times, finish with 2 single crochet. Round 22 is 3 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 6 times. At this point stop and stuff the koala head. Round 23 is 1 single crochet, 1 decrease, and then 2 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 5 times, finish with 1 single crochet. Round 24 is 1 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 6 times, and then round 25, our final round, is just 6 decreases. Finish off and weave in your end. The ears are done in grey and you're going to need to make 2. For round 1, make a magic circle, then into the magic circle crochet 6 single crochet. Round 2 is 6 increases. Round 3 is 3 single crochet, 3 increases repeated twice. Round 4 is 1 single crochet, 1 increase, and then a repeat of 2 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 5 times. Finish with 1 single crochet. Round 5 is 24 single crochet. Round 6 is 3 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 6 times. Round 7 through to 9 are just 30 single crochet. Finish off and leave a tail for sewing. The inner inner ears are worked in pink. You're going to need to make 2 of these as well. Once more, make a magic circle and then into the magic circle crochet 6 single crochet. Round 2 is 6 increases. Round 3 is 1 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 6 times. And rounds 4 to 5 are 18 single crochet. Finish off and leave a tail for sewing. The eyes are crocheted in white. You're also going to need to make 2 of these. For round 1, crochet 6 single crochet into a magic circle. For round 2, do 6 increases. Round 3 is 3 single crochet, 3 half double crochet increases. That's just 2 half double crochet in the same stitch. Then 3 single crochet and then finish with 3 increases. For the pupils, you'll need your black yarn. Crochet 6 single crochet into a magic circle, and then for round 2, which is the final round, just do 2 single crochet, 1 increase repeated twice to give you 8 stitches. Finish off and leave a tail for sewing. For the nose, you're going to use your black yarn, make a magic circle, and again crochet 6 single crochet into that magic circle. Round 2 is 6 increases. Round 3 is 1 single crochet, 1 increase, 2 single crochet, 1 half double crochet. In the next stitch, you're going to do both 1 half double crochet and 1 double crochet in the same stitch. The next stitch is going to be 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, both in the same stitch. Then we're going to do 1 half double crochet, 2 single crochet, 1 increase, and finish with 1 single crochet. This round should bring you up to 16 stitches. Round 4 is just 16 single crochet all the way around. Finish off and leave a tail for sewing. To begin assembling our koala, we're first going to take our needle and some white yarn and add a little shine or some sparkle to the pupils and the top of the nose. Once you've done that, sew the pupils to the eyes. Make sure the half double crochet increases that we did in round 3 of the eye are at the bottom of the eye, not at the top. Once you've sewn the pupils to the eye, we're going to pin the entire eye to the head. The tops of the eyes should sit between rounds 7 and 8 of the head, and the eyes sit on the face approximately 2 stitches apart. Once they're pinned in place, go ahead and sew them on. Next, we're going to lightly stuff the nose, center it between the eyes with the top of the nose between rounds 12 and 13. Again, go ahead and pin and sew it on. Before we attach the ears, we need to sew the inner ear, so the pink part, to the outer ear. Line the inner ear up in the center of the outer ear and then sew it on. Once that's done, we're going to pin the ears to the head. The top of the ear sits between rounds 2 and 3 of the head, and the bottom between rounds 13 and 14. If you're not sure how to attach the fur, that's okay, I'll go through it. All you need to do is take your 10 centimeter lengths of fur and fold them in half. Take your crochet hook and insert it into the stitch where you want to put the fur. Take the closed end of the loop, put it onto the crochet hook head, and then pull that through the stitch. Make sure you hold on to the 2 tails of the open end. Once you've pulled that strand of fur about halfway through the stitch, pass the open end through the closed end and then pull it tight. And that's all you need to do. You're going to attach the white fur along the top of both ears. Once that's done, you're going to take the grey fur and attach it on either side and the top and the bottom of the white fur. So you're basically surrounding the white fur with the grey. When all that fur's attached, we're going to take our wire pet brush and just brush it all out to make it nice and fluffy. You can leave the fur really long as it is, or you can trim it down to the size that you like. And again, when you finish, just brush it out to get any loose threads and fibres out. The final touch is to add the keychain or the key ring if you're going to be using one. And with that, our little koala bag buddy is all done. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this tutorial. If you did, consider liking, sharing, subscribing, you know, all that YouTube stuff. And I will see you all next week.